Namaste everyone, Mohan Nagendra here. I hope all are doing really well. So the particular video is about the ACCA course, which means like ACCA is offering diploma in IFRS. So we'll discuss about the diploma in IFRS offered by ACCA and the coaching regarding the same. So without any further delay, let us get into the video. Actually, a few years before, when you compare MBBS degree, so what happened is like if you're done with your MBBS, it is fine. You can start your own practice. You can earn some good amount of money. But due to continuous changes in the modern era and in the competition world, so MBBS degree is not sufficient these days. They are moving into specialization, which is PG. I guess even in CA, it might come in near future. But even though if you are a practicing CA, if you are a CA, if you are a student, or if you are done with your BCom, MCom, anyone who has a practical exposure of minimum 2 years can enroll into the course. So yeah, in this video we are going to explain you what is the fee regarding the diploma in FRS for both the fee which you have to pay to ACCA and as well as the coaching fee, duration, how many months it takes to complete your diploma in FRS, who are eligible to appear to the examination, and the course details in detail. So yeah, first course details. This diploma in IFRS is offered by ACCA. There are many various institutions which offers you this diploma in IFRS, but ACCA being the oldest one, they offer the certificate as well. And due to the current changes and the business environment is moving on to the global world, it is very important to know the IFRS. And if you are someone who is looking for the specialization in accounts and finance, and yes, you are at correct place. So this really helps your CV. Like I can't guarantee you that okay with this you can get a job, but definitely this is like an added advantage to your resume. So this is offered by yeah, ACCA. And now eligibility. Eligibility, we are dividing this into three category. First one, if you're a qualified CA. If you're a qualified CA, you are directly eligible to ACCA without any work ex, etc. You can just upload your pass certificate, and yes, you are applicable. You are eligible for to the exam by diploma in IFRS. Second one, if you are done with your BCom or any degree, you are also eligible to the diploma in IFRS, but provided you have 2 years of work ex in relevant accounting or finance. And the third category is other than any other person other than the above two. He need to have the relevant 3 years of work ex. It is same as above, but here though they need to have 3 years of work ex. Now some question arises. If you are an article student, like if you are done with your IPC both groups and you have been to your articleship and you have completed your articleship, for any some reason, if you are not if you are not cleared your final or you've been to job, you are very much eligible to write this exam, provided you'll fall under second category or third category. If you are a BCom holder, 2 years of article work will work. If you are even if you are not doing your even if you are not eligible for this BCom degree or you have not registered for the BCom, and yes, you are eligible provided you have to finish your 3 years of articleship. So to be specific, if you are a CA, IPC or CA inter student who has qualified the CA inter or IPC and done with your articleship, you are very much eligible for ACCA. Now, just a second. Yeah. Now, fees. Before pandemic, before this COVID, there is almost to register to this diploma in FRS, the fees is £89. But due to this COVID, they have drastically reduced the fee. It's around £30. I'll just show you the details. So yeah, two type of fee you need to incur. The first one is initial registration. So at the time of registration, you have to pay £30, and if you are registered once, it is eligible for 10 years. So ACCA registration validity is 10 years. And whenever you are about to write your exam, you have to pay £117. So, yeah, £30. So including all the transactions and approximation charges, it is around 100. So for initial registration, you need around 3,000 rupees. Just a second. Yeah, for initial registration, you need to have 3,000 rupees. Plus, whenever you are writing your exam, you need £117. So it will be around, yeah, around approximately 12,000. Okay. So the fee which you have to pay to your ACCA board is 15,000. So within 15,000 you are very much eligible to register your course. So if you don't want any coaching or etc., you're done with the video. So you can just pause and you can go to the ACCA wala and you can just check the entire details. And if student want any coaching, we have a tie-up with the dynamic faculty Ramesh Kumar Mallela. So he's a qualified chartered accountant. He teaches the diploma in IFRS. Yeah, this is the details. So the classes are recorded recently. It is September and October recordings, and yeah. So it is around 60 hours of classes. Within 60 hours, you can finish your entire syllabus. And these videos can be you've used for December. And I forgot to tell you the main thing. Exam happens twice in a year. So one attempt in June, another attempt in December. If you want to write in June 21, you have to register now. So by paying £30, I think this is in the offer period. Like if you register maybe after December, it again goes to £89. So as the registration is valid for 10 years, if possible, to do register. And yes, twice an examination, one in June and one in December. And yes, any further details regarding the diploma in IFRS? Important problems will be solved. Within 60 hours, you can just get the conceptual knowledge and as well as the problematic sums as well is discussed. 100% coverage of all the topics. So all the topics are literally covered. Exam oriented tips will be provided by the faculty. Almost more than 250 problems are solved. So you can just imagine within a short span of time, we are covering almost the entire syllabus. So printed notes will send you through Google Drive, and if anyone wants to, they can just take a printout of it and don't again always keep on writing. So every notes will be provided. You can just take a printout and you can listen the classes. Easily accessible faculty for doubts. So whatever doubt you have, you can just WhatsApp him, and yes, he'll definitely reply. So yeah, as an early bird offer, till October 31st, we are providing this for half the amount. So actual price is almost 10,000 rupees, but till October 31st, we have an offer. It is 5,000 rupees for the entire diploma in IFRS coaching. Apart from this, you need to incur 3,000 rupees of initial fee. You need to incur 12,000 rupees of exam fee, and also you need to require around 2,000 rupees for a ebook for this thing. So you'll get an author book for around 2,000 rupees, and even sir will take care of everything. 12, 15, around 17,000 you're getting certification course. So within 20,000 you can finish the entire certification course, and it definitely adds a value to your resume. So if you have any doubts regarding the ACCA diploma in IFRS, do comment below so that I can reply. Thank you so much everyone for viewing this, and please do subscribe our channel. And the initial demo class will be uploaded in the description below, so you can just go there and view the initial class. If you really like the class, so you can just WhatsApp us to this number 9542892298. So this is the WhatsApp number. You can, if you have any doubts regarding the diploma in IFRS course, you can just WhatsApp us. Our team will get back to you. Thank you so much, everyone. See you soon.